What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So doing something a little bit different. Did a voiceover because there was a lot of noise in the background, but here we have the Mugen box. Like I had promised, I'm gonna go ahead and unveil to you guys. You probably already know just by the title and the thumbnail, but here it is. It's a Mugen Fd2 front lip. Basically it comes in this huge box. Shout out to Ben. I did have to open it because I had to get it painted, so kind of ruined the unboxing experience, but that's okay. Obviously the cellophane and the plastics and styrofoam and all that stuff. But you also have this Mugen front under spoiler manual kind of directions and your hardware as well as the molding. So I thought that was pretty cool that they just taped it up in there instead of leaving it loose. We're going to dive into that in a second. But first off, I just want to say thank you guys for all the love and support in the last video. You guys are killing it right now. I don't know what the heck I'm doing here. Fumble around with the box. Let's go ahead and show you the lip. Okay guys, so basically what comes in the box in addition to the lip, you have these three items. You have the instruction manual here, all in Japanese. You can probably translate that. Some really cool pictures and just information, part numbers. Your hardware kind of shows you where, like, how to install the molding and just very detailed information. And that's awesome. It's kind of hard to find nowadays. Even shows you the tools. There's a little template you can use. Like, man, they went all out on this. So that's pretty cool. I like how they incorporate the drawings of the car as well. So you know how to, put it on the actual bumper. Now it also comes with this template sheet here, which is marked right and left. And this is so that way you know where to put the screw holes for the lip. So you can actually cut that out and mock it up and put it on the inside of your bumper. So, which I thought was pretty awesome. Go ahead and pull it out so that way we can have more room and pretty much install it out there, because it is kind of tight in here. And yeah, I want to have as much room as possible before I do the install. The car is outside. Just went ahead and took it out of the garage, so like I said, we can have some space. I gotta go back upstairs, get the lip, and then we're gonna install everything on the car. Okay guys, so I got the lip out here. Excuse the mess, I do have to clean up the garage, but over here we have some hardware, and I believe the brackets, the silver brackets, will go on the side. All right, guys, lip is on. As you can see from the side, looks a ton better. Gives the front end a little bit more aggression. Here it is. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this lip. Do you guys like this lip or any other lips? Let me know down in the comment section below. Shout out to Ben. Ben, if you're watching, thank you again. But he hit me up on the random and just said, hey, he's still looking for a lip? And I said, yeah. So it's crazy how the car community is these days, and super lucky to have it. Still got to do the side skirts. I'm probably going to do them tomorrow, but I just wanted to show you guys the front lip, man. Super aggressive. I'll probably hit you guys with some cinematic shots right now, and then yeah, I'll come back after. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys like the lip? Do you not like the lip? Comment down below. I wanna hear you guys' thoughts. Probably gonna put the side skirts on tomorrow. It's kind of hot out. Super happy that the lip is on. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more content coming soon. I got another special pickup after this video. I think you guys will like it. I'll go ahead and shoot a brief teaser right now. Quick pick. That's all I'm gonna give you. So yeah, if you guys wanna see what that next thing is, please stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.